3D scanning allows us to map an engine bay very, very accurately, and we can then also pinpoint things like the studs and the weld nuts, the things that we need to bolt to. 3D scanning process means that we can literally take an engine bay into CAD and we can build our parts and put our parts physically into CAD. We can then start 3D printing prototypes, and when we 3D print prototypes, that's when we go back to the vehicle and now we're actually seeing, does our design work? Can you physically get it into the vehicle? We then also design things like the accessory parts, like moulded hoses for the PCV. The 3D technology allows us to measure to a very high degree of accuracy things like engine bays, and then design parts that will fit properly straight away and get us to production months faster than using conventional measurement techniques.